Hello, guys. Hang on 1 second, guys. Let me just do the unmute. Hello, guys. This is Vineet from Edge Forex, and this is an unusual broadcast that I am doing. I usually do not talk about stocks or anything other than Forex and Forex tradings and Forex setups, but there is a setup that is executing right now, that is actually happening as we speak. It's in motion right now, and I thought I'll let you guys know, even though it is not related to Forex. It has nothing to do with Forex. It has everything to do with a stock that is something that I follow outside of Forex space. So I thought there's a breakout that is actually in taking place, and I thought I'll let you guys know that if you guys are momentum traders and something that may interest you. What you're looking at is a 1 day chart. So every candle is a day, is a 1 day chart going back to 2008. So it's a 16-year chart that you're looking at on your screens right now, and it has a massive cup and handle pattern formation that took 14 years in making. And this is one of the most reliable pattern formation in the entirety of technical analysis in stock, no matter what, if it's stocks, forex, in technical analysis or charting. So what that is a consolidation that happens. So there's an up move on the left hand side, you see, from say 08 into 2011, second half of 2011. There is this huge up move, say from literally pennies, and it went up to say $50. And then there was this huge consolidation because the move was so big. There was a huge consolidation that took place, and then it lasted all the way to 2020. So there was a 10-year consolidation, and this made this sideways pattern, and then it breached that $50 again. So now there is this consolidation period. There is this cup that was formed, or that a semicircle that was formed over a 10-year period, and then there is a sideways consolidation sloping to the downside, which is called the handle. So now we have a cup and a handle. So we have a 10-year consolidation, we had a bit of a breakout, and then we have sideways consolidations for about 3.5 years, and then there is a breakout, and that breakout is underway. So if you guys are momentum players, I would like you guys to start looking into this, because I personally have already gone into this trade when this actually broke out of this handle at around 47, $48. So it is something to look into. It is something that if you guys are momentum players, and again, the chart is for Wheaton Precious Metals, or WPM. So let me know what you guys think, and if you guys would like this kind of analysis going forward or not. Just give me a shout on in the comment section. All right, guys. Thank you.